Now we've seen so far that we can multiply both the numerator and the denominator of a fraction by the same number to find an equivalent fraction. But here we're going to find equivalent fractions by dividing. So first we have 6/8 is how many quarters? Well, 8 divided by 2 is 4, and what we do to the denominator we need to do to the numerator as well. 6 divided by 2 is 3, so 6/8 is equivalent to 3 quarters. And what we've done here is called simplifying the fraction. So we found an equivalent fraction which uses smaller numbers, but the fraction is the same size, it's equivalent. Now 4 over 20 is equivalent to what over 5? Well, 20 divided by 4 is 5, and what we do to the denominator we do to the numerator as well. 4 divided by 4 is 1, so that's 1/5. Again, we've simplified the fraction. Now we have 16 over 28, and we need a fraction with a denominator of 7. Now 28 divided by 4 is 7, because 7 times 4 is 28. So what we do to the denominator, we do to the numerator as well. 16 divided by 4 is 4, so we have 4/7. Now the missing number is the denominator. But we can see that 10 divided by 5 is 2, and here what we do to the numerator we need to do to the denominator. 15 divided by 5 is 3, so that's 2/3. And now 9 over 27. We need the numerator to be 1, and we know that 9 divided by 9 is 1. So here, what we do to the numerator, we need to find the denominator by doing the same operation. 27 divided by 9 is 3, so we have 1/3. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that was helpful. If you're a teacher or a parent, then please subscribe or go to keystage2maths.com to download resources for this lesson and many more. That's all for now. I'll see you in the next video.